All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is 60 seconds. Let's go ahead and take a look. So problem number 2, got the average temperature for the first 4 days of a week was 50 degrees. Average temperature for the next 3 days is 43. What is the average of the whole week? Notice, we got 4 at 50 degrees, 3 at 43 degrees. Any possible way that the average for the whole dumb week is 41? No, the coldest day was 43. In fact, could it be 43 degrees? No, we had some days at 50. And we had more days at 50 than we did 43. So our average should be closer to 50. Out of what's left, which one is closer to 50 degrees?
47.
And at that point, you circle D and you're done. That's all. It takes about 10 seconds. We could solve it with some actual math. Actual math would say 4 times 50 degrees plus 3 times 43 degrees divided by 7, which now leaves you a little bit of some actual arithmetic stuff to solve out. You end up with 200 plus 129 divided by 7, 329 over 7, and finally able to get down to 47 degrees. My entire point is that you don't have to run any of that if you can understand the concept behind it.
C looks pretty good, but there is, if we're being very literal with C, there is a big problem with C. There's something wrong with it. Is there anyone who sees the reason we should eliminate C? I would ask you to jump in. Tell us what is wrong with C.
The word non.
It says, oh, sorry.
All right.
Oh, we're fighting to give an answer. That's good. Ari, go ahead.
The word nonverbal.
The word nonverbal, the whole word or just part of it?
Non.
Non. Yeah, we need to be super literal. What's wrong with the non, Ari?
Because it says emotions expressed in words, but this answer is suggesting things like gestures, which that's not what the paragraph defined pre-symbolic as.
Okay, absolutely. Guys, a lot of people picked C. If you happen to be one of them, I just want to